welcome to this update for the US. Sorry for the late update. We should have made this update days ago, but better late than ever. So here we are. Let's talk about some things that are happening now first, and then the next things. So actually yesterday and Friday we had this system that went into California, brought a lot of heavy rain, a lot of snow and winter problems in the mountains, and heavy rain and flash flood warnings along the coast of central southern California there. So I hope everyone is okay, and there are still flood watches there, so be aware. We have this winter weather advisories around the Rockies there, and the red flag warnings for the fires. So, and also in Alaska there plenty of winter weather advisories, some blizzard warnings, and some wind advisories. So be aware. Some wind advisories and warnings in parts of New Mexico and Arizona too. So let's see what's happening today. There's this light risk of severe weather today. Parts of Illinois, Indiana, western Ohio, northern Missouri, southern Iowa. There's 2% tornado threat, wind threat 5%, and hail threat is the strongest, 15% and a 5%. So expect scattered thunderstorms expected along a corridor from northern Missouri to the Ohio Valley today. Some of this activity has the potential to produce large hail and perhaps some damaging winds. Yeah, so be aware of this, and we'll soon take a look at the models and you'll see the storms and everything. So tomorrow is the big day, very big. So recently we had a 30% risk on day 4 of severe weather. So that was 2 days ago. So now it's day 2. We have an enhanced risk on day 2. They put a 10% hatched tornado threat there around Illinois and Missouri. There's also the 5% and the 2%, a very big 2%, all the way from West Virginia to southern Texas. So please be aware of this. Damaging wind is 30%, a 15% and a 5% around all those areas there. So yeah. And hail is also 30% and hatched for large hail in Missouri, Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, northwest Arkansas. There's a 15% also and a 5%. So this is a very large severe weather area. So let's see what they say. Widespread severe weather threat with potential for large hail, wind damage and tornadoes expected on Monday and Monday night. So this could continue in the night hours. So make sure you have plenty of ways to receive warnings at night, and be aware at night too. So from parts of the southern plains northeastward into the Mississippi Valley, very large hail will be possible across parts of the southern plains and the Ozarks. And the greatest tornado threat is expected from southern Missouri to southern Illinois Monday evening. The severe weather threat is also expected to impact parts of the Ohio Valley, especially during the evening and overnight period. Yeah, so this is very big. Be aware. And talking about if this will stay the same, I think it will stay an enhanced risk. Maybe that if there are many changes, that there can be a moderate, but I think it will be just an enhanced risk. But in case something changes, we'll make a short tomorrow and put here on YouTube. So yeah, let's see day 3, because there was a 15% day 3, but now they put in an enhanced. So there's an enhanced risk on day 3. Parts of what states that? Parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, southeastern Indiana. Yeah, and that's it. So there's an slight risk around that and a marginal risk around that. Very big area too for severe weather. The severe weather threat is expected on Tuesday from the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, eastward into the mid-Atlantic and southward into the central Gulf Coast states. Wind damage and isolated hail threat will be possible across a broad area. The tornado threat is expected to be the greatest from central Kentucky east northeastward into West Virginia. Yeah. So this is the probabilistic in the categorical. Good. So day 4 and day 8, day 5, there's nothing else. So it's just it. Let's check some models now to see what we can get. First, this GFS, I think, has the stuff there today. Wait, April 1st, yeah. So around tomorrow has the storms around there. Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, and Illinois, and then most of the severe weather tracks east. Tomorrow, parts of Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and those areas there. And on April 3rd, there could still be some rain and thunderstorms on the southeast there. So probably not very severe, but be aware. And then after this, we have this snow that forms back behind this system, snow and ice, and then you probably probably affect parts of the Midwest, and then head to the Northeast. It shows very heavy snow to parts of the Northeast there, and heading to Atlantic Canada. So this could be a big winter storm for the folks there. So be aware of this winter storm coming too. So let's see if we can get some other maps of the dynamics here. First, let's see some Cape values. Let's see what they have here. So Monday, Monday they have the Cape there around Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, and in Arkansas. So on Texas there's a lot of Cape, but the main severe weather will be in Missouri and Illinois and Oklahoma there because of the other dynamics to the north. But Texas will be full of Cape. Let's see how this will be around Oklahoma and stuff. Around 1,000 and 2,000 joules per kilogram in those areas of Cape there. Because I'm trying to figure out what time of the day this is, but because we are on European time here, I have to count these hours to see US time because my app is European here. So, but you get the idea. So let's see. On Tuesday it shows a lot of Cape around Texas, but the severe weather will already be in West Virginia and Kentucky. So let's see if it shows Cape there. It shows some Cape Tuesday there around Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia, but in some more Cape in the Gulf Coast. But there will be few stuff in the Gulf Coast there. So let's see what else we can get. Let's see this other Cape map here. So Sunday, okay, so tomorrow we have a lot of parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri there, and then on April 2nd around a little bit in Kentucky and those other areas in the Gulf Coast. Yeah, that's the Cape, and you have the idea. Let's see some dew points now. So wait, Monday. So they are around the 60s in the areas there of the severe weather. So mainly around the 60s, 61, 65, 62. Yes. So when this kick starts, it'll be like 65, 66. Yeah, around the 60 dew points around there. And there will also be a, a lot of wind shear in some of those areas and the low level jet and everything. But I can't find the maps well for wind here. So I'll try to search for those maps for some next videos. But you got the idea of what's going to happen. So please stay safe of this severe weather. Sounds really concerning. Have a plan and a shelter to go in case of a tornado if you don't have a strong bunker, and have plenty of ways to receive warnings, like a weather radio and some channels and apps. So have plenty of ways to receive warnings and stay weather aware. This is really serious, this storm, so please be careful and warn others. And after this, there could be some new systems later, like next week and the end of the week and everything, but we'll make more videos for those. Let's focus on this severe weather now, because it's very big. Let's just see this total precipitation map for the next 240 hours. This will change a lot, but just so you see here where it will rain more and everything. And let's check snow accumulation here to see the northeast there, because of that snowstorm, winter storm actually. So next 5 days, next 2 days, just around the Rockies there. But when you go to next 5 days, a lot of snow accumulation through the Midwest, Michigan, through southern Canada there, and a lot in parts of southern Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State. A lot of snow accumulation there. And there could be ice and some freezing rain in the mix too, so be aware. And in southern Alaska there, a lot of snow too. Other areas, northern Canada, yes, so this is it, I think. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any more questions, please ask us.